Welcome to Myprojectbazaar.com. It is our project title Stochastic Resource Provisioning for Containerized Multi-Tier Web Services in Cloud. Let's see our project abstract. In our present, mainly focus on avoid network traffic in distributed environment and resource provisioning. It optimizing resource provisioning for containerized entire web services in according with fluctuations of incoming workload to accommodate predefined SLOs on response latency. In particular, 2SPRA is capable of minimizing a resourcing over provisioning by addresses dynamics of web traffic as workload uncertainty in a native sophisticated optimized model. Model computes the optimal number of application containers in response to fluctuations of incoming workloads to fulfill of SLO's response latency with minimal over provisioning. As a result, applications have to be over provisioning typically for peak loads or jeopardized in their performance service level objectives with penalties otherwise either which is costly to adopt by cloud providers and users. The fine-grained pre-containers control promises more efficient resource provisioning for web services and better resource utilization in cloud data centers. Let's see our project data flow diagram. In our project, there are three modules: distributed admin, server 1 admin, and server 2 admin. We see one by one. So now I explain the distributed admin process. So distributed admin initially log in with his or her own username, password, and system secret key. Otherwise, new distributed admin initially register, then access our system. The terms are nowadays used much even referred to as autonomous process that run on the same physical computer and interact with each other by message passing or data passing. After login, admin upload a web application data into system, then perform a task. After perform a task, then allocate a server by round robin technique. Allocate web application data into two types of desired server by use a RR technique. After that, admin can view a remaining task and web data allocate a data in server. Now I can see the server 1 process. Server can provide a various functionality often called services such as sharing a data resources among multiple clients and the multiple server. A client process may be run on the same device or may be connected over a network server on different devices. Server has a own credential to access our system. If you enter a wrong credential and cannot move forward into its own process, it can handle the task allocation after whenever receive of task, then it can be working in that task. And server 2 is similar of a server 1 process. It's also same unique credential here. Server 2 admin initially view what are the files contained in own area. Choose files sent by distributed admin. After the admin perform a task of resource provisioning or store web application data files into server. It may be lead to avoid a network traffic. It can be also similar to server 1 admin handling task allocation handling after whatever receives site receive all the task, then it can working to that task. Let's see our project demo. This is the home form of our project. Here in the right side top bottom you can see the right arrow. If you click this arrow, then open a login form. Here there are more distributed environment. There are more admin here. Existing admin directly log in with his or her username, password and secret key. Otherwise a new admin initially register then access our system. So click here to register. Name, address, gender, username, password fill this page, and after that we can click this register button. Then you can see the now you can authorize to go to login page. Click this. Now the distributed admin login with name, password and secret key. So after that login, here the distributed admin upload a web application data. So I have to upload here. Web data 1 means this is a web data here. So after that we can click this upload file. So we want to upload this file here. So a file upload successful message will be shown. After that this to allocate the data into distributed system. So this is that the file. So click this here the image. When this file allocated in server 2 message will be shown. Now this file is allocated into server 2 by using the round robin technique. Now there are two types of server in here, server 1 and server 2. They similarly have to a second web application data here. So upload this file similarly. After that allocate this file server 2. So there are separated admin. Now you can see the server 1 and server 2. Now we can see the server 2 process here. Server 2 admin initially login with his username and also password. If you enter a wrong when show the error here. So we can see the list of out of task. So this task is done by your current task is completed here. Then similarly you have to remaining task. This is the remaining task. First task is completed and second task. So after that to binding this particular task. Similarly the server 1 here have to create this server 1 admin have a unique username and also password. So have to password admin 1. So username password here. So this is that web data 2. After that you click this current completed task. This is the remaining task is 0, and finally we have to create resource provision successful message will be shown. This technique is mainly focused on so avoid a traffic in web-based environment. Thank you for watching our video.